welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to dive into one of the most essential steps in any skincare routine, cleansing. Choosing the proper cleanser is crucial for maintaining healthy, radiant skin. I'm here today to guide you through it. So, if you are a beginner or just looking to improve your skin game, this video is for you. Our multi-amino acid cleanser is your secret weapon for radiant, balanced, and nourished skin. This unique formula combines 15 essential amino acids with the power of water shield extract. Now let's talk why it's so beneficial. First, let's talk about what makes this cleanser so special. It is made of 15 amino acids and water shield extract. So what does it mean for you? Unlike many low-quality cleansers that strip up your skin healthy barrier, this formula is gentle and skin-friendly. It creates a luxury foam that deeply cleans and removes oil and dirt. Plus, it has the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefit that boosts your skin health and radiance without causing any dryness or irritation. It's perfect for sensitive skin. Wash away the day, not your skin's health. With slightly acidic, soap-free formula, work gently yet effectively to remove makeup, dirt, grease, oil, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and not tight. Plus, with add moisturizing ingredient, you will enjoy a hydrated, glowing complexion after every wash. Now let me show you how I use it. Follow along with me. Let's go! Here you have it. This is the way how I use multi-amino acid cleanser to clean my face. I often get asked, can I use cleanser that I get from the drugstore? The truth is, many drugstore cleansers contain harsh chemicals that can damage your skin's natural barrier. Our cleanser is a formula with high quality ingredients that nourish and protect your skin. Lastly, here are 7 reasons why our multi-amino acid cleanser stands out. Number 1, deep pore cleansing without stripping the skin. Number 2, balancing oil with every wash. Number 3, a slightly acidic and soap-free formula. Number 4, add moisturizing ingredient for hydration. Number 5, radiant, balanced, nourished skin. Number 6, maintain of your skin's natural barrier. Number 7, perfect for sensitive skin. Here you have it. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, choosing the right cleanser is the first step to achieve healthy, glowing skin. If you found this video is helpful, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and advice. See you next time. Bye-bye. If you are looking for a premium quality cleanser, feel free to shop on our online website. Remember, choosing the proper skin cleanser is your first step to a healthy and glowing skin. Whether you choose our cleanser or any other, please make sure to choose the right one.